All right, man. It's been a while, but I am back. It looks like my lighting is crap right now, but nevertheless, I'm back to make more beat videos because it's always been a long time since I've done that. But I'm ready to go. I got everything set up. I got number 47. I got 1, 2, 3 monitors, camera right there, 2 mics. Yeah, I got 2 mics now. Don't know why, but no, I mean one's for like recording music and the other one's for recording like videos like this. So just I'm gonna keep tweaking and stuff as we go along, but for the most part everything's gonna be cool. So I like to scrap a lot of these because honestly I hate them sometimes. Ooh, okay. I think I got some. I'm still learning how to play piano. Ooh, no, that is not it. That was not the one. Okay. And I kind of have it just so it's not like too demanding, because you can hear it like when it peak out. All right. Now let's try a different beat. Let's see. Let's get it. And let's quantize that up to see what that sounds like. It probably sounds like crap, to be honest with you. I want to see what. Sometimes I just like to open up. I want to even hear just how it sounds, because I want this to definitely follow the super instant bass. Let's get it. And I want to try one of these. Like, I don't even want to know. Like, I'm about to just surprise myself. Let's try Gohan Blanco. A little different. All right, how does this sound? I actually like it. It kind of I might want to even kind of slow it down even more. But I like this like Pharrell feel. That's really cool. But I want to change those up a little bit. Yeah, young dude in the range. I ain't after no change. In the spot like dang. In that club like dang. I be doing my thing. I be up in the hood. I ain't never really bang. I just rock a little chain. I just go and do my thing. You don't know what I'm a name. Beats a cat, that's a name. Fit me in a picture frame. Don't you know I'm spitting game? All you do is you a lame. All you do is you a lame. Okay, I'm too excited. All right, this one's good. I'll never rap like that. I was trash, but I'll never rap like that. Oh man. It got like this Young Scooter vibe, but in something weird. So now I need to add something else. I want some like Horns. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get it. Hey. Oh yeah. Cool. Cool. Let's get it. Hey. Oh yeah. Hey. Get it. Yeah. Hold up since I muscle. Just like that, it went from 0 to 100. Oh, don't you know? Like I'm crowned, like I'm slapped. Well, I stun it. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Let's take that out. Okay. I'm liking where. Oh, damn! Did I not record that shit? I did not. I did not. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Damn it. I actually just like how kind of slow like this. I guess sort of this Rick Rossi found. I want it to sound like very ethereal. So if I wanted to, actually let's see what a step effect's gonna add. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, we back. But we back like we never left. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. 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 Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. 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 Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey. Okay. Ooh. All right. Now I want to add like one more thing, but not a yes. Oh my god, this is actually a legit good beat. I gotta actually save this. Let me save this piece. It may be a little loud, so just to prime y'all, I'm gonna put up negative like 5 decibels. Let's see that. Ooh. Sorry, y'all. I gotta get some fish from downstairs to help out. But other than that, I'm so glad to be back making beats again. I'm gonna edit this up and see what I can make out of it. Hopefully, I got like all my recordings and everything set right, so I can kind of mix some more. But you're gonna definitely see a lot more videos. I'm gonna try to. I don't know. I'm gonna force myself to be doing these videos, whether it's on this channel or my gaming channel number 47. But this is me, KT, or KT Right, KTF Right, however you want to call it, Kev, Beats with Kev. I got too many names, but just remember me as Beats with Kev. This is all overexposed. I'm gonna fix all that because this lighting's supposed to be cool, but it's crap. But the room is clean, everything good. We're gonna keep doing it. I'm gonna keep doing it, but I'm glad to be back with this. I hope you guys can stay and just see more videos like this, and you know, we can keep making videos like this. So give a like if you guys liked it, give a dislike if you hated it, and tell me why. Other than that, you know, we doing real good. So we back out here. So I thank you guys for tuning in, and stay safe.